Baruch Hashem, Shalom. May this shiur again be Latzlachat Kol Chayalei Yisrael, Kol Am Yisrael, and L'alter L'tshuva, L'alter L'geula. I want to say that maintaining a positive mindset, it helps very much to read the letters of what the Rebbe said and wrote to people. For in the life of every individual there are two paths: to see the good that envelops him, or the opposite. Especially those of us Jews, Jewish sons and daughters, who believe with absolute faith in the eternality of the soul, that the soul is eternal, that the spirituality is eternal, and the ultimate and complete victory over negative forces eventually, and even now. Emet Lad, we learn from the tale related by Chachamim that Adam, even before he was banished from Gan Eden, complained about his situation, and he was deemed an ingrate. Conversely, Jewish sons and daughters who were in the German Yimach Shemam concentration camps during the most horrific times, they recited the Birkot HaShachar, the morning blessings, thanking and blessing the Eibishter, the creator and conductor of the world. Ultimately, each of us finds himself within these two extremes. The point being, the manner and quality of a person's life. This is the point. The manner and quality of a person's life, whether it will be a life replete with satisfaction and meaningful content, with simcha, with mashma'ut, or the opposite thereof, is to a very great extent dependent on the person's own desire, for it controls the mind's eye. The desire, it controls the mind's eye, whether it will be to the right side or the left side. So, the point being, everything is b'hashgacha pratit. The Eibishter führt the Welt. Hashem is running the world. Hashem is doing everything. We are doing our ishtadlut. We must see the blessings in our life and appreciate the blessings that Hashem showers us with. Every individual has blessings. And be thankful. And be besimcha. And focus on the positive. That doesn't mean that the pain will dissipate from the negative things and there's very difficult things and the suffering that every person has gone through. Nevertheless, if we focus on the positive and we focus on what is true and real and eternal, it's a spirituality, it's godliness, it's Torah and mitzvot, that's true, that's eternal, and we focus less on the materialism, then we can maintain a positive and happy life, where we focus again on living a meaningful life and fulfilling a mission in this world. La'asot lo yitbarech dira b'tachtonim, to create a dwelling for Hashem in this world, to bring the Beit HaMikdash HaShlishi, b'mheira v'yameinu. So you should be besimcha. Whoever needs encouragement can always learn Torah, and it gives all the encouragement, especially the Sefer HaTanya, and many other beautiful Sfarim, holy Sfarim, I should say holy Sfarim. And speaking to Hashem, praying with devotion, with Avodat HaTfilah, focusing on every word of the Tfilah. Preparation before davening is very important, so that when one davens, one prays the Shacharit prayer, the morning prayers, and the Mincha prayer, and Arvit prayer with proper intention, so that one merits Besurot Tovot for everyone and for oneself as well. Besurot Tovot, and thank you.